Question 12. Which of the following is a surd? A. The square root of 9. B. The square root of 16. C. The square root of 20. D. The square root of 25. Now, to answer this question, it will be easier to simplify each of them so as to tell which one will still have a radical symbol as part of its expression. So to do this, let's look at the option A, the square root of 9. That simply gives us the number 3. Now square root of 16 gives us 4, and then square root of 20 gives us the square root of 4 times 5. Now the square root of 4 is 2, so that simplifies the expression to 2 root 5 as the square root of 20. And then option D, the square root of 25 is simply 5. So it is very obvious that among the 4, the answer is simply the square root of 20. Thus, the right option is going to be option C, as shown on the screen. Now let's look at how to quickly do this with the help of your calculator. And remember, questions like this, don't even waste time on them. Since the use of calculator is allowed in the second cycle institutions and above, use your calculator and do the simplification very quick, and that is going to help you save time. Now, with our calculator displayed on the screen, make sure that your calculator is in the computation mode. If it is not, press the mode key and press 1 to activate the computational mode. Now let's look at the first option, square root of 9. We simply press the square root sign here and then press 9 and then equal to. That simplifies to 3. Now for the square root of 16, you press the square root symbol again and then key in 16 and then equal to. That also gives us 4. Now for our option C, we press the square root button again and then key in the number 20 and then press equal to. Now I realize that the answer we have is 2 root 5. Okay, now once we realize that we have the square root of a non-perfect square as part of the expression of root 20 when it is expressed in its simplest form, then automatically the right option is option C. You can choose to forgo the D as well, because as for this one, it is also going to be the same procedure you use. Square root of 20, so the square root of 25 rather, then you press equal to, you have 5. So in essence, the square root of 25 is simply 5. So you see that in this case we still land at the same answer, which is option C.